Good morning, everyone. The 20th of July. Moon. You know, it just occurred to me that when I first started working at this yard about 20 years ago, there used to be hundreds of starlings and birds that sit on these wire fence here. And these telegraph cables and whatever, and on top of the wagons on them cables. I haven't seen any this year. I'm sure it's round about this time as well, or even before now, that they're here. Not one. I've noticed a decline in the years. You know, they're fewer and fewer, but this year there's none of them. Not a lot of birds migrating and everything now. Look at the sky. It's like fucking Armageddon. Anyway, it should be cooler today. Rain apparently this afternoon here in Doncaster. Yeah. Moon. Was a bright star there, really. Well, a couple of bright stars. Can't see it now because of the light. Well, everyone have a good day and take care. Ta-ta for now.